Verdejo's going. Throw from Hugo. Into the game left. Runner goes. Called strike at the plate. Noah said he had asked Victor if he could maybe get out one of these times. Throw down. And with any new player, I do wonder how used to the pitch clock he is. That gets a sword right there out of Rodney on the curveball. So his first batter of the Mavericks League is a 3-pitch see you later. Gets the strikeout, sends us to the bottom.
Definitely went that time.
Yeah, he went around on that one. Tried to sell it a little bit with the Hugo. Gotta be careful there. Josiah was headed back. Pretty good hitter at the plate. Good block. That's the kind of things I like to see out of a catcher. 9th inning, 9-run game. Down low, 1-0. Runner goes. Throw down's a good one. Back-to-back firework nights here. Volcanoes Stadium as that one's popped up. Behind the backstop. Can Hugo make the catch? He can, out number 1. Got a cannon of an arm out there and right. Behind the dish, number 28, Hugo Garcia. On the bump, number 16, Hiroto Yasuda. And the DH today, Jonathan Abundere. What are Hiroto's numbers looking like, Evan?
Hiroto Yasuda so far this season, making start number 4 in appearance.
On the bump, Andres Alonso. And the DH will be Ryan Surrett. Alonso, since joining the Salem Senators in a trade for Chuck Steele, he's making his 4th start in his 4th game. Foul tip into the glove, 2-2. Ooh, foul off of Hugo. Foul tip into the glove again. A quick one. Bounce back. Good block by Hugo.